morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV. I just want to jump right in the news. Yeah, man. Gonna see what I want.
No, I come for address one umbre name Levels. The same umbre when name Levels. What my vice soul cry for. Trump I'm a favorite president. Donald Trump, I'm a favorite president. Levels, you have basically 2 hours, 3 hours for left New York, New Jersey where you're there. If I still a give you an ultimatum, you know. I still a give you an ultimatum because you threatened me a while ago. You call my phone, you threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. Zin, you just call my phone and threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. First, I know everything I connect to me, you know, cause remember, you know, you did sign Denique, you know, and make Denique put on shirt with watermelon and my brother face, popcorn face, and I this my brother popcorn, you know. Everything I add up now. Zin, then one day when my drop soul cry, you call me and tell me say I acting and bling blang them call you and I cuss you say, oh, you fi drop soul cry with Lisa Hyper and Ray. And me I say, yo, why I acting would I call you Levels and I diss me? And the last time I there foreign, and me I acting did a par. Me I acting not there cause I acting not my type. You know me love generals. Boss, them have well tough. Cause you know me hard for angle. So me have to deal with a man when me can show respect and when me we take talk from, when me can be submissive to. So that one. I acting is not my type. I acting too feminine for me. But what me I say is you call me and tell me say I acting bling blang or whatever the ugly girl the name. Call you and I say, yo, oh, you fi drop song with me and whatever, and oh, you give them the reading from how much years ago, and them a pre and whatever. And maybe I got this I acting, but you say me not for this I acting, but everything I add up now. You say me not for this I acting, me for love everything. I'm gonna say, alright, me love it. Same time after me done talk to you, me get a broadcast from I acting and I'ma block him. Me they go call Mineral Boss and tell her, you know. But me not bother. Me just hold it because true me know how Mineral Boss defensive over me. Me not bother call her. So me hold it. But when me get the broadcast from IACTN now, me block IACTN. Cause me I say, yo, the last time when me did there fired, and me and IACTN did a par. You see me? So come like some joke thing and be a fake people star. But anyways, you tell me say the man call you and apologize. Right after me block him, you know. Me get back a call from you, you know, and say them everybody just call you. That I see him, the girl we do Chanel Muir video, them bling blang, whatever must him baby mother. You know, I acting a be a ugly woman. But anyways, you say them call you and apologize, whatever. Alright, fine. Me text IACTN and say apology accepted. And IACTN say, yo, what you talk about, mama? What you talk about, mama? What you talk about? Me no reply to him. Me just left it there so. So Levels, here what me I go tell you say no. You see soul cry. Make we just split soul cry 50-50 percentage. Make Norman from Apilus know say 50% of soul cry for go to my record label. Because members say out of the money where Vibes Cartel give me use and do promotion for Soul Cry. And me know how much money out of the money where Cartel give me use for Soul Cry. For promotion. Marketing. So a 50-50. Me know how much money me spend. Zin? And if you're bad, threaten me again. If you're bad, threaten me again. If you're bad. If you're bad, just threaten me again. Because remember, you know, you make country girl lick out body, so good Denique, this my brother, you know. Zine? And she run go fuck Javi ambassador. Remember you tell me the whole of the girl business, you know. She run go fuck Javi ambassador. And forget it song with Alkaline and Alkaline no gear no song. Zine, you remember you call me and tell me the people them business. You call my phone and threaten me again and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. Just do that one more time. Me no care. Me no care who your mother be. You see me? Principle, a principle. And I that with some of other people. You see, when you don't have power, you don't abuse the power you don't have. You must stop it. You must stop it. Don't threaten me again. Don't threaten me again. Don't threaten me again. You don't know what I've been through, so I'm paranoid and you have my people, them don't want nobody to trouble me right now. Them don't want nobody to trouble me right now. You see me? Them don't want nobody, them don't want not even my head hurt me right now. So you have to be careful right now. Right now, my people, them just want me to heal and want to hold my meditation and just put out music. So, I could try low off of the, we no make go down the violent road. Tasha Gooden. But you tell us I'm going to embarrass you, don't, if you not stop, don't. Your husband, you're my bigger sister, and your husband, I'm a find out. Tasha Gooden. Beanie Man did want me boy, you know. You know, say Beanie Man want me boy, Tasha Gooden. You see, anywhere me hold you, Tasha Gooden, I can beat you, make your ball for your father. I'm glad him not there. He might go stay at Jamaica and feel the kick and something them when me I go give you. The kick and the thump them when me I go give you. Watch me here. Watch me here. Continue frig with me email. Continue frig with me email and see if me no rub you out on the media. Tasha Gooden. Me and your sister, you know. Me know say me and your sister. Tasha Gooden. Beanie Man did want me boy you. Girl. You bad mind me. I don't know where you bad mind me for. Come out of me email, girl. Come out of me email. Come out of me email, Tasha Gooden. Beanie Man did want me boy you. Beanie Man did want me boy you. Come out of me email. And you see anytime I come to Atlanta, you're not gonna like it. Because I know Atlanta you're there. Anytime I hold you. Anytime. Because I want you this morning, you know. And you have me email. Come out of me email. You hear me I tell you? Come out of me email. Me and you are no sister. Me and you is not no sister. Me not like a bone in your girl. Me not like a bone in you. Come out of me email, man. You bad mind me for Addy. Me left Addy and me gone to Dexter and you bad mind me for Dexter. Every man me fuck them. Every man me fuck them. You know go on, girl? Go on, man. Come out of me email, man. Cause anytime I hold you, you're not gonna like it. Tasha Gooden. Me and you is no sister. Me and you is no sister. Your mouth and no man know why you. No man know why you. And it's my fault. Come out of me email, man. But class. Your breath never smell fresh yet. I don't know how, if I treat you near marijuana. Your breath never smell fresh yet. Your breath always smell like shit. And I show you my sister why I never. Show you my so-called sister why I never yet tell you. Your breath always smell like shit, girl. Come out of my email, man. I want you this morning and you're still afraid with my email. Come out of my email, girl. And don't make me hold you.